Boo! Yeah, road construction. Believe it or not, it just started here in New Brunswick. Road construction. I'm already fed up with it. Yes. Diverting the traffic, reducing lanes. Good thing we got the music and 2 cell phones to play with, you know. But not playing with a cell phone, I'm just talking like this, you know, so people can actually hear some stuff, you know. Sometimes it's funny, maybe sometimes it's not, you know, like it would be funny seeing this face with that big mouth like this, you know, like it's quite amazing. Yeah, you gotta love it. What a party. Whew.